This is Dennis again, brought to you by FlashTechLLC.com. We're going to be doing a Apple iPad 4 digitizer replacement today. Okay. Here's our iPad 4. As you can see, it's in need of a digitizer. The LCD still works fine. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the glass digitizer here off of here, and we're going to replace it with a new one that I received from FlashTechLLC.com. And so let's begin. Alright, we need a flat type pry tool to get up underneath there real good to break loose the adhesives. Just be careful not to get any glass on you if you can help it. Sometimes that don't happen very often. You'll want to apply heat around the edges evenly, and that way you can loosen up the glue around the edges, which I've already done, so we wouldn't have to hear the loud blower blowing in the background and so forth. Where I'm at right here right now, we're near the home button, which there's a cable that runs underneath here, so you just want to be real easy with it. Just kindly work your way around and take your time, work slowly, don't be in a rush, because this ain't a job for anybody in a rush. Let's see. Let's try. Be sure you wear some sort of safety glasses, which I have my eyeglasses on with safety shields. So, because this is very fine glass, and when it breaks, it can turn into like a dust, and you don't want to get it in your eyes. working your way around. In this corner right here, you want to be careful because there's the ribbon cables right up underneath this edge, right up in here. So just kindly work your way from it. You're under it. Right in there is where that cable's at. So just kind of slowly, carefully work your way around. There we go. Again, here's some ribbon cables we told you about. Right here. Now, you want to work at getting the glass from around the LCD. What we want to do next is we're going to want to remove the LCD because everything plugs up underneath it. You got 4 screws here, here, down here, right here. So let's begin removing them. Now we can take a paper towel, add across here like so, and I'm going to lay LCD. Gently lay it over on top of that, and now we have the ribbon cables. It goes here, here, and here. You want to remove them. Have that ribbon cable off. Just take and set your LCD to the side so you don't damage it in any way, shape, or form. Now we got that removed. There's a little clip down here to undo that, and there she goes. We got her off. Now you want to make sure all your edges are nice and clean, free of debris. One little speck can mean the whole screen of things, so you gotta make sure you got every little piece. Any little black speck can mean a little piece of glass trapped underneath, and when you go to seal it in place and press there, crack goes your new screen. Okay, we want to make sure that we have no foreign pieces on here. Rub your hand around, feel for any bumps or lumps. Give it a quick turn in the light to look for any specks of glass you may have missed. Alright, we're all clean. Alright, now it's time for our digitizer we got from FlashTechLLC.com. This is the new digitizer we'll be putting on. Alright, we'll get it ready to go on. Alright, now we have everything plugged back in on the digitizer. Again, the way it came off is the way it goes back on. It takes a little time sometimes to get everything just right and lined out. We got our sticky laid around our screen. So now we're going to get ready for the LCD screen to go in. Now that we have the LCD screen back in, you put your screws back here, here, and here. Make sure your ribbons, everything's kosher there. And now our next step is to remove the adhesives off of here and get her ready to fold back over on top. And let's begin. Alright, we got our iPad back together. And you got to make sure all the sides are squeezed down good and tight. Those are good and tight and you don't hear nothing flapping. Alright, let's try it out and see if she works. There's the apple. There it is. Again, everything's working good. Touch screen's fine. Home button's operational, and we're good to go. Well, another successful screen from FlashTechLLC.com. Check us out for all your cell phone part needs. Again, that's www.flashtech.com for all your cell phone needs. My name is Dennis, and we thank you.